Articles.
A, N, 1.
Remember, we use one instead of a, an when the exact number is important.
Can I have a cheese sandwich? Not, can I have one cheese sandwich? No, I asked for one sandwich, not two. I only want one sandwich.
1. She's got nice coat.
A, N, 1. The correct answer is A.
2. She's only got coat.
A, N, 1. The correct answer is 1.
3. Can I have boiled egg?
A, N, 1. The correct answer is A.
4. No, I said egg, not two.
A, N, 1. The correct answer is 1.
5. I've got problem, can you have?
A, N, 1. The correct answer is A.
6. She's only got child.
A, N, 1. The correct answer is 1.
7. John's got old car.
A, N, 1.
The correct answer is N. 8. Girlfriend is enough.
A, N, 1. The correct answer is 1.
9. They've got beautiful daughter.
A, N, 1. The correct answer is A.
10. It's easy exercise.
A, N, 1.
The correct answer is N.